Welcome to today's news.
Indian Navy SSC Officers Recruitment 2025. Apply for the vacancies of 270 posts at https www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. The Indian Navy has invited application for the Short Service Commission officer for various entries. Candidates who want to apply online can find the direct link through the official website of Indian Navy at https www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. This recruitment drive is for filling up the vacancies of 270 posts in the Naval Department. The registration process started on February 8 and will end on February 25, 2025. Vacancy details: Executive Branch 154 posts, Education Branch 15 posts, Technical Branch 101 posts. Eligibility criteria: candidates who have graduated or postgraduated or in the final year with minimum 60% marks in aggregate or equivalent CGPA, or candidates who have obtained a degree in engineering with 60% marks in aggregate or equivalent CGPA or system from such foreign university, college, institution can apply. Selection process. The selection process comprises shortlisting applications on the basis of normalized marks obtained by the candidates in the qualifying degree. A merit list will be prepared based on SSB marks for all entries as per the availability of vacancies and medical clearance for the respective entry. Candidates declared fit for the medical examination will be appointed as per the availability of vacancies in the entry. How to apply? Visit the official website of Indian Navy at https www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. Click on Indian Navy SSC Officers Recruitment 2025 link available on the home page. A new page will be opened and enter your details for registration. Click on Submit and then log into the account. Fill in the application form and upload the required documents. Click on Submit and download the confirmation page. Keep a hard copy of the same for further need. All relevant documents, preferably in original, mark sheet up to 5th and 7th semester for regular and integrated BE or BTech courses respectively, and all semesters for other degree examination. Date of birth proof as per 10th and 12th certificate. CGPA conversion formula for BE or BTech. Merchant Navy certificate issued by Government of India, Ministry of Shipping and Transport. NCCC certificate issued by National Cadet Corps, and a recent passport size color photograph should be scanned in original JPG TIFF format for attaching the same while filling up the application. For more related details, candidates can check the official website of Indian Navy, https www.joinindiannavy.gov.in.
Thank you.